Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Cloudflare Workers to Firebase step by step clearly. To get started, create a Cloudflare account if you don't have one yet. Log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Navigate to the Workers section on the left sidebar. Click on the Create a Service button to start a new worker project. Give your worker a name and select a route for it. Once created, you will see a code editor. At the top of the editor, click on the Settings tab. Here, you can configure your worker environment settings, including any necessary variables. Now, open your Firebase project in a separate tab. Go to the Firebase console and ensure you have a project set up. In the project settings, navigate to the Service Accounts section. Click on Generate New Private Key to download your Firebase Admin SDK credentials. Store this JSON file securely, as you will need it in your worker. Return to your Cloudflare worker and open the code editor again. You will need to import the Firebase Admin SDK in your worker code. Use npm or yarn to install the Firebase Admin SDK if you haven't already. Include the Firebase Admin libraries at the top of your worker code. Now, set up Firebase in your worker by initializing it with your service account credentials. Read the JSON file you downloaded earlier. Ensure you are using the correct syntax to load the credentials into your code. You can use await fetch to read the contents of your JSON file if it's hosted online. Once you have loaded the credentials, initialize Firebase with these parameters. Next, allow your worker to handle incoming requests using the Fetch Event Listener. Inside this listener, write the logic to interact with Firebase services. You can read or write data to your Firebase database as needed. Be sure to handle responses appropriately, returning JSON data for successful requests. Test the worker to ensure it's functioning as expected. Use the built-in Cloudflare Worker preview to see how it operates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.